quick test run of the sledgehammer I picked up off of eBay. Seems to work just fine. Except for I do believe there's an issue with the radio. It kind of does some twitching, and all I gotta do is put my hand in certain spots on the radio, and it does funky stuff. Drives fine. Seems to have range. Take it outside and see how far it'll go. Okay, here we are outside. I don't want to drive it around too much. I took forever to clean it, so I think the battery is cooked. I'm using the original battery that actually came with the truck, and I do believe it has just given up on me. I think the grass might be too much for it. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna go charge up a newer battery, pop it in there, and we'll give this another try. Okay, I'm back outside for a second round of testing. I have replaced the other radio with a much newer one. Same radio, just in way better condition. Numbers don't match the truck anymore, but the radio is the correct radio for the truck. So let's see if that makes a big difference. Well, I can touch the radio like I couldn't before without the truck moving. And there she goes. She's off and running. Just like 1996 again. Let's take her to a place where it's a little less grass. I don't know how much the old motor and ESC can take, so I don't want to burn anything out before I give it up to somebody. Yeah, the antenna's a little bit crooked. Some trimming. There it goes. Full speed. Oh man. Well, there you go. It should put a smile on somebody's face. This is now running on a 3000 milliamp power cell from Traxxas, much newer battery. The other battery was probably the original battery that came with the truck when it was bought. Can't remember when these were discontinued. It was like 98. I know they were still selling them, so it could be as low as that. I'm not sure if it was 99 or 2000 that they stopped selling these, but it's up there. spent like 3 hours cleaning it, so I'm trying not to get it too dirty either. That original body bouncing all over the place. Oh, that's too funny. All right, well, I think that's enough testing. As you can see, it works perfectly. Nice and slow. Very entertaining. All right, guys. Remember, like and subscribe, please. I'm a new channel. I need all the help I can get. Thanks for watching. See ya.